Hi everybody, I am Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
Today I want to take you on a quick look around some of the villas at Disney's brand new Riviera resort. This resort is phenomenal. It's one of the highest resorts around. It offers convenient transportation to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot from the Skyliner. And they have a fabulous character meal up on the very top floor. You can't miss that. And we're gonna walk through the one-bedroom villa and the studio villa so that you can see what they look like.
Thank you, sir.
So this is a one-bedroom villa?
Yeah, how you doing? How are you? Good, good. It's a one-bedroom villa. Comes with a full kitchen. Washer, dryer, jacuzzi tubs, things of that nature.
Washer, dryer, jacuzzi tubs.
Yes. Can I get out of your video?
Oh no, you could.
Oh, okay, okay.
I don't mind if you don't mind.
I don't mind.
Okay, so there's the pull down.
So the one bedroom will sleep up to 5.
Okay.
Okay. This is a day bed, of course, that folds up and folds back down. What have you.
Oh, that's pretty.
And then on this side here, this is a queen bed that comes down. In the next room over, I have it already down for you.
Okay.
So the sofa will just collapse. Bed will come down. That'll be a queen size bed as well.
Gotcha. Queen bed there.
Yeah.
And I like the little dinette and the full refrigerator and the full kitchen. And are there dishes and everything in the...
Yes, everything's fully loaded.
It's all fully stocked. And there's extra magic mousekeeping. If you leave the dishes, they'll clean them up.
Yes.
But leave an extra tip, right?
Okay, just you know.
Be extra nice to the mousekeeping. Oh, and there's a TV in here. So no wars over the TV. 2 TVs. Wow, that's really pretty. That's a big bed.
Yeah, those will have an arm doors there, right where you're standing.
Yep.
So,
Oh, and they both close together
which is pretty neat.
for extra privacy in the bathroom.
Absolutely.
Huge soaking tub. I love it.
Tub.
I like the light.
Tons of towels. You'll notice on both sides of the tub and both sides of the sink. And then also right where you're standing is a pocket door.
Oh, I see the little tiny aerators.
Yeah.
You can barely see them. Okay.
And there's a pocket door right where you're standing. Literally.
Right in it. I'm standing right in it. So here's
So
the
someone
pocket
can shower
door.
on one side and then bathroom this side here.
Got it. Is this too complicated for me? Oh, that's okay. I was pushing that. Very cool. So the pocket door, so someone can shower here. Oh wow, look at the shower head.
Once again, tons of towels, tons.
That is really pretty.
I'll squeeze behind you there.
Oh yeah. Talk about staying at Disney in style.
Welcome home.
Yes. Yeah.
Absolutely. And then here's going to be where the washer and dryer is here. And
I like the washer and dryer. If nothing else, I get to dry my bathing suits before I pack them to go home.
absolutely. Or the rain, you know, we're here in Florida.
Oh, that's true. If it
Absolutely.
rains, you can have dry clothes.
And then there's just another large closet here on this side.
Very cool.
Have the safe inside so you can store your luggage, things of that nature.
That's neat. Home away from home, right?
Oh, absolutely.
I love
This
this.
side is the one bedroom that sleeps up to 5 on this way. So
Okay.
this door here would be closed.
Okay.
On the opposite side will be the studio. Combined with the one bedroom makes up the 2 bedroom.
Okay. So this is the one bedroom, and this door would usually be closed, but we can go through this door into the studio, and it can be combined with the one bedroom.
Absolutely. So you'll have a shower one side, pocket door in between, and then the shower and tub on this side. So once again, you can shower up at the same time. Different needs.
And they each have their own door to come in. Like there's a door that goes from the outside into the shower and the toilet room.
Yes.
And then there's a door that comes from the outside into the shower and bathtub and sink.
Correct.
Wow. Now this room sleeps 4?
Sleeps 5 as well.
5, okay. Oh, because does this...
This is another Murphy bed here, day bed. And then this unit here is actually with the queen bed down.
Oh, so does the queen bed in the other room have the same design?
A different picture.
It's a different picture. It's a secret. But so that's a sofa. You can put that up and it's a sofa, or
Correct.
put it down and it's a queen bed. Okay. And your own private balcony with beautiful views and
It was awesome, isn't it?
yes, and access to the Skyliner to go to Hollywood Studios and Epcot. Oh, it's so
It
cool.
was under the bed as well. That cutout there where you can actually store luggage underneath.
Perfect.
Queen bed, right?
That's perfect luggage storage.
And then these here are drawers here toward the footbed.
Drawers and luggage storage.
Yeah,
So you're not tripping over your luggage all the time.
absolutely.
Very cool. And then right here is the Murphy bed.
That's the other Murphy bed that comes down as well.
So this room would sleep 5. So you would sleep 5 here and 5 in the 1 bedroom. So you could potentially have a family of 10 with a kitchen, a full kitchen, and the villa has a little kitchenette.
Yes.
A little microwave, coffee maker, little
Yeah, the
refrigerator.
coffee, excuse me, the microwave, the coffee, and then this is a small fridge. Right, we're video, right?
We're video, and that's okay. I'm just glad it's someone else besides me where I can't figure out how to open the door and to the bathroom.
Exactly, right.
But this just has like paper products and it's like
Yeah,
a
this
bowl.
also have the paper
Oh, and
goods.
there's a toaster.
1 bedrooms and larger will have the full glass dishware.
Got it. But still, how neat is that? I like popping popcorn in my microwave when I come stay in these.
Welcome home.
But very cool.
What?
But I like this. Okay. So this is the 1 bedroom. We just saw the villa. Really, really pretty. I can't wait to come and stay here. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our quick walkthrough of the studio villa and the 1 bedroom villa at Disney's Riviera Resort. So if you enjoyed that, make sure you like
Subscribe.
and leave a comment down below.
Make sure to turn on post notifications if you want to get notifications when we post new videos.
If you'd like to plan your very own magical vacation to Walt Disney World and you would like complimentary assistance, look me up. My name is Melissa. You'll find me on pixiedustadventures.com. At no additional charge to you, I offer free planning assistance based on countless hours of personal experience and professional training. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.